Lay with LayShidell.com, and tonight I have for you, this isn't really a training, this is more a presentation, and it's about a software company that I found who is based in Australia, and they provide quite a few applications that are free to use, and where they make their money is they provide upgrades for some of these software programs. So I'm going to take you over to my screen here so that you can see what I have going on here. And we're going to go to Google and put into the browser NCH software and hit enter. And when you do, you'll get a list. And I want you to notice there's one called NCH software, download free software programs online. And that's the one I want you to click on. And when you arrive, you'll notice on their website that they have a banner just below their logo and such. And we have videos. So if you click on that, there's different softwares that are available for videos. And we have editing videos, converting videos, recording videos, creating a slideshow, burning video DVDs, and animated videos. Now, I haven't used all of these, and what I do know is that some of these applications cost money, and some of them are free to test initially just to see whether or not you like it. And I'm going to back up to our screen before so that I have the menu again. There are also business applications. And so you have invoicing and accounting, you have inventory management, personal finance, point of sale software, business card software, inventory got that one, staff productivity and attendance, which can be good to keep track of. And there are flowchart and diagram designers. So again, we'll go back so that we can see the menu list. And we also have graphics. Now I actually came and got a graphics software program here that I use frequently. And in fact, today I was working with my logo and I made a little bit of slight changes to it to make the lettering upon the logo itself more visible. And I used a package from NCH, and it is called PhotoPad. And this is where I downloaded it, and you can get it for Windows or a Mac. And in fact, I forgot to tell you that this software company makes most of these programs for both operating systems. And I'm unclear, but I don't believe they have any software programs for the Linux operating system. So then I'll back up again so you can see on this screen. And then there are audio software applications. You can edit audio, multi-track mixing, convert audio files, record audio files, all kinds, DJ software, audio stream record, voice changing, audio CD burn, tone generator, music notation editor, audio CD ripper, and digitized vinyl records. And that looks like what they have in that area. We'll go back one more time. And we have also utilities. There's a wide variety also of utilities for disk burning, zip files, FTP use, shorthand, text expanders, more FTP for syncing and uploading, typing tutorial, convert documents, like if you want to convert a Word document to a PDF format, they have a program that does that. And you can also, they have a program for recovering lost files. I know some people don't even know that there is software that can help you do this. And that's pretty much what this company offers, and that's really what I wanted to bring to you. But I'm just going to quickly show you. I was working with my software with my logo I told you earlier today, and one of the features that this particular program will allow me to do, this PhotoPad, is to cut out objects with certain shapes. So you can go on the menu item here and click on select. And what I wanted was to cut this circle away from the background and make that a transparent background so that I could use it on a wide variety of things and not have it looking like a square, just have it look like that round logo that it is. So I select on the oval and it's not opening up for me. I'm not sure why. Let me try something here. Okay, here, where it's actually already set. So when I clicked on the oval, it's ready to go. And so what I did is I started kind of in the corner of the object. And the reason is because this object, this circle, takes up most of the space. And so I pretty much want to put my cursor so that I'm equidistant in the corner from top and left edges. And then click down and drag to the opposite corner and try to put your cursor in about the same place. By doing this, you'll maintain the circular feature of this. Now I can see that part of that image is in the tan area, and I don't want to pick that up as part of my logo, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to start again a little deeper into the image. I'll put it down maybe about here and do that same process again. Click and drag to the opposite diagonal corner. And as I do that, okay, you can see this time I'm well within the confines of the colored portion of the logo. And I look to have a circle here. Let's see. I'm going to click that and see where I am. And it looks like I'm well contained within the colored portion of this logo. And so at this point, I can crop the selected area out, and I'll give it just a second and see what it did was give you a checkered background. This checkerboard background indicates in all software programs that this portion of the square is transparent. So all we have left is the cutout circle. Now, as you can see, we could also do all different kinds of shapes. So if you have a large image and you only want a section of it, you could use a rectangle, or you can use a polygon. You can freeform it. You can kind of cut away with it as you go. You just maybe start here and go to there and up here and move around to create your shape. I'm not sure how this, okay, that's how that works. So start here, drag there, and maybe another point. I'm not sure how that piece works there. Okay, there we go. You click on to start it on the left mouse and hold it down, and then you just start drawing. And then you'll see when I'm done drawing, I'll let up on that left mouse button, and then I'm going to crop the selected, and you can see what I was able to cut out. So essentially, you could cut out your own photo, your own self on a photograph. Then what you can do is you can do a file, and you can select Save As, and then you can give it a name and put it in any place, navigate to on your computer where you would like to put that file. Note here, though, at the bottom, Save As Type. If you go to the far right of that column and you click on that column, you will see you have different options. The .ppp is for PhotoPad project, which is this software application. So it wants to put everything in this by default. There is BMP that you can use in Paint. There is GIF, which can be used lots of places. There's JPEG, which is best used in the best one to use in Facebook unless it has text. And the best general overall to use on the web is PNG, and especially text files are good with PNG. And then you also have TIFF. So you'd want to select the type of file that you want to save the format as, and then you just save that file. Now, I'm not going to save this one. This is just for demonstration. So that's really all I had to bring to you today, and I hope that you got some value from this. I look forward to bringing you more trainings. Thanks a lot for spending your time with me. I know you could be anywhere you wanted to be, and I really appreciate your spending your time with me. You have a good one. Bye-bye.